Good morning and welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoyed that 10 clips in 60 seconds. I thought it'd just be a little fun way to show how many different places you can fit an action cam, which is what I'm filming on at the moment, the Action 5 Pro from DJI. I'm using the DJI mic at the moment. It's from my Osmo Pocket 3. This is the first time I'm actually using the Action 5 Pro. Pretty happy actually. Pretty happy with how easy it is, obviously, to rig in loads of random places of the car. So hope you enjoy that. My car's absolutely minging now. My feet are absolutely freezing and muddy. I just picked a random spot that's near me and it's cold. It's a nice Sunday morning. Actually, the sun's actually come out, and some of the last shots that I got I'm pretty happy with. This was an absolute nightmare to set up. So I've got it on the window. I've got my magic arm, friction arm, small rig coming out. And to try and not get this in the shot in there and any of this reflected on this, even though I've got a polarizer on there, it's just not strong enough to get rid of this reflection. I've had to lower it below the height of the glass and lower it enough for this, and then basically once I've got the shot good enough, I can adjust my mirror with this. But this is why we're doing it, because it is all a good learning curve and points to note and things to look out for in these shots. One shot attached to the steering wheel right at the end. Not a great shot, but I thought, let's just see what it's like. Stick it in there, get the 10th shot. But I thought the DJI Action 5 obviously performed quite well. So the audio that was on there wasn't the best, not gonna lie. So the audio was straight out of camera, not using the DJI mic. I mainly did that just because I didn't really know how I was going to attach it to the rig that I've got, but I just thought this would be quite a nice, fun way to collate some shots together and challenge you guys and girls to do the same. Even if you've got your phone, just purchase a suction cup or some rigging options. I've got loads of stuff, some affiliate links in the description below. I just thought this would be a cool, fun way just to whack the camera on as many times, in many places as possible. It's also a good way, like I've said before, about practice. When I'm doing it with actually nice cars, it's just good to go through the motions of if I've got dramas when I'm just filming with a rig just by myself, then I don't have to have any dramas when I'm filming with a client, basically. So just get out and about. I wish I was going to save this sort of video until I've got a better car. I wish I had a better car, but it is what it is. You've got the Citroen today and it's absolutely minging now. So yeah, I challenge you guys and girls to get out there, just get 5 shots. Comment below and yeah, comment below once you've done it. Send me to your Instagram. Yeah, I challenge you guys and girls to do the same. Just do 5 shots with your phone, with just a little camera. Get on it, or even a big camera. I have actually ordered a big rig, tilter setup rig for big cameras, so hopefully that will be coming soon, and we'll do another similar video with a big camera instead of a little camera attached to it, but we'll see. Obviously, the bigger the rig, the more limited you are with what you can do with it and where you can put it. But I'm pretty happy with how this action cam performed. If you're happy, if you liked this video, please comment below. This is a nice, short, sharp video. I thought it'd be a bit of fun, a bit of trial and error, and a bit of a good insight for you guys and girls to have a gander at what you can do with a small action camera. So, without further ado, thanks very much for watching. Like and subscribe. I shall catch you in the next one.